In this video, I'll talk about how you can delete your YouTube TV account. Now keep in mind, your YouTube TV account is basically just your Google account. So if you really want to delete it, you're going to need to delete your Google account, and that will also delete everything that you have connected to your Google and stuff like that. So be really careful if you really want to delete it. But if you just want to cancel the membership, you can also do that. So let me quickly explain how it works. Now for the YouTube TV subscription, if you just want to cancel that, head over to tv.youtube.com, go to your profile picture, settings, membership, and cancel your membership. On your mobile device, it's the exact same, but download the YouTube TV app instead. Now, if you really want to delete your Google account as well, to delete everything, you can do that this way. Now, come here and go to the Google account settings. You can just Google myaccount.google.com and you'll head over there, and then you can delete it this way. Now, like I said earlier, if you really want to delete it completely, keep in mind it will delete everything related to Google. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.